In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in Zoho CRM, a powerful way to personalize communication with your leads, contacts, or deals by integrating detailed information into your messages seamlessly. Let's get started with the process, ensuring you feel confident each step of the way. First, you'll want to navigate over to the CRM module of your choice. Whether that's the Leads module, Contacts, or Deals, depends on where you need to perform your mail merge. Once you're in the right module, take a moment to locate and select the records that you need. Whether it's a single record or multiple ones, choosing the right entries is pivotal for a successful mail merge, ensuring that your message reaches the correct audience with the correct information tailored specifically to them. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a More button, represented by 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Mail Merge option. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now, you have an interesting choice to make. Zoho CRM provides you with the luxury of either using an existing template or crafting a new one from scratch. If you already have a template that suits your needs, you can select it right away. It's a great option for maintaining consistency in your communication. However, if you need something specific or perhaps more personalized, you have the chance to click on Create New Template. This will launch Zoho Writer, opening up a blend of creativity and functionality to design a template that meets your unique requirements. As you're working on or selecting your template, it's a good practice to review your template's structure and content, making sure it aligns with the data fields from the records you've selected. This way, each piece of information slots into its place perfectly, leading to a polished and professional result. Once your template is ready or chosen, it's time to take a sneak peek at the merged data. This is your opportunity to ensure that everything aligns as you envisioned. Does the data look appropriate within the template? Are the placeholders replaced correctly? Are there any typos? Going through this preview is an important step that guarantees you're sending out ready-to-go, accurate correspondence. And there you have it. You've completed the mail merge in Zoho CRM. This process not only enhances communication efficiency, but also ensures personalization at scale, crucial for building relationships and engaging your audience effectively. Remember, investing time to review and refine your templates will pay off by enhancing the clarity and impact of your communication. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both informative and easy to follow. Until next time, happy merging.